guys and gals, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com, and thank you so much for watching my video. Well, if you're an affiliate marketer, a network marketer, or a solopreneur who's trying to build a digital business online, you've probably already figured out that you're going to have to up your copywriting game. Whether you want to sell one of your products, whether you want to promote a ClickBank product, or whether you just want to send an email to your list, chances are you've asked yourself, should I be writing my own copy, or should I outsource it, or should I buy PLR and just smack that on a website page and call it a day? Well, in this video, I'm going to share an amazing software that I've been using to write my copy, and actually part of this intro, and I've actually done a few videos about this software on my channel, but I want to dive a little bit deeper specifically because there's a promotion going on that for a limited time you can get unlimited words written for you in their Unlimited Pro plan, which is going to save you tons of money and tons of time. And whether you're brand new or a little more seasoned like me, you won't have to worry about writing your own copy again. So if you want to learn how you can get a robot to write your copy for you so that you don't have to deal with any of that stuff and you can save a bunch of money while you're getting your business off the ground, especially if you're new, then keep on watching. Again, this is Barbie Figueroa with RiseMarketingAndDesign.com. Please take just one little moment to like this video and subscribe to my channel. I would truly appreciate that. All right, guys and gals, so let me just go ahead and set the stage real quick. If you are a digital marketer and you are new, like when I first got started and didn't realize exactly how much writing you'd have to be doing in your online marketing journey. I mean, you've got to be able to write headlines. You've got to be able to write hooks and intros for your YouTube videos. You got to write copy for a lead capture page if you want it to convert. And honestly, you can get away with using other people's stuff for a little while. But if you are looking to build an actual brand that people know, like, and trust, you got to start really honing in on your copywriting skills. Now, really quickly, copywriting is not like the writing and grammar and stuff like that that we learned in high school. That stuff is not designed to sell. And what a lot of people do is make the big mistake that they think that they're going to sell more stuff by writing the way they did in high school. And that's not going to work, okay? Copywriting is designed to compel people to take an action. It is designed to get people to click on links, to buy more stuff, to opt into your pages, and it just goes far beyond whatever we all learned in high school. And a lot of us are not just naturally gifted in this area. It is a craft, it is a skill, and a lot of us don't have the time, the energy, the know-how to invest inside that skill set or building that skill set. Now, I highly encourage you that if you are serious about being a digital marketer, you should be sharpening those copywriting skills, but in the beginning, who's got the time to do that? Or who's got the budget? Who's got $1,500 lying around to get a copywriter to write out a sales page for you? That's why a lot of us end up doing affiliate marketing, because all the stuff is usually already done, but someone still has to write the emails that you're going to send out to your list. Someone still has to write the blog post. Someone still has to come up with the video ideas, and that is where copywriting comes in. So in the very beginning, you really shouldn't be writing your own copy for you, especially when there is software out there that can do such an incredible job for you. And ironically, there is software out there that a robot actually writes the copy for you, but it doesn't sound like an actual robot, which is really cool. So what I want to do really quickly is I just want to go ahead and share with you some cool new features that Conversion.ai, which is the copywriting software AI tool that I use to write a lot of my copy and give me inspiration for videos, blog posts, email topics, etc. I want to go ahead and show that to you. And for a very limited time, today is April 14th. So for a very limited time. They're offering the unlimited pro plan, which means you get unlimited words because their pricing structure is based on, a word credit system. So let's say, for example, if you use 20,000 words, right? If you generate 20,000 words using their AI software, you're going to pay like $29 a month. As you start really taking this industry more seriously and you start seeing that you are building your list, you're making more money, you're making more sales, creating more of your own stuff, you are going to find that you are using copy all the time. You're writing more and more and more all the time, and those words can start adding up. That means that you're going to have to upgrade to higher and higher plans, whereas right now you can just go pro unlimited for one monthly rate and write as many words as you need. So whether you want to create a little side hustle, writing copy for people, or you want to increase your bottom line ticket price for a web design client by including the copy of their website, you can let the AI do it all for you. Or if you just want to get more ideas and inspiration for writing your own email copy or your own sales copy or your own lead magnet copy, etc., then this might be a really great solution for you. And honestly, even though there are amazing copywriters out there, there are small little daily tasks that you're not going to outsource every single day. Like even just coming up with a title for a thumbnail for your YouTube video or a headline for your blog post. You don't want to hire someone every single time that you're going to do that task. But these are tasks that you're going to be finding yourself doing frequently. I mean, I do 2 videos a week and like 1 blog post a week and like 1 email a week. And so I'm not going to be hiring someone every single time I need to do that, because usually I'm just inspired, I write, I send, I'm done. So this software is going to help you fill that gap. All right, guys and gals, so without further ado, I am going to go ahead and just show you a couple cool things inside the software. And if you want to go ahead and sign up with my link, I will have a link in the description box right below this video. And if you do sign up with my link, I will have a little extra bonus for you, just that little extra cherry on top, just for signing up with my link. I will have that information when you click on the link to sign up for Conversion.ai with my link right below this video. All right, guys, so let's go to the software. All right, guys and gals, real quick, this is Jarvis with Conversion.ai. It is the AI, artificial intelligence robot that will write your copy for you. Now, really quickly, if you click over here on this link, when you click on my link, it'll take you to this website. You can check out the Pro Unlimited plan for a very limited time. That way you pay 1 monthly rate and you can write as many words as you want. All right. So this plan is not for everyone. I think this plan is more for someone who's more seasoned. If you're an agency owner, if you're digital marketing part-time or full-time, you're creating already some of your own products, you're writing your own emails, then this is really a great option for you to explore. If you're just getting started, you can just start with the $29 plan that gives you 20,000 words a month. I will link a video where I talk about the plans right below this video in my description box, so make sure to check that out. Okay, so here we are inside of my back office dashboard, and this is brand new. This is called the Longform Assistant. The Longform Assistant lets Jarvis help you write long-form blog articles, emails, stories, scripts, and even books. So this is huge. Now, there are trainings over here I want to share with you. If you go to learn right here in their back office, they are going to have awesome videos here that show you how to train the AI software to write more compelling, attention grabbing and converting copy for you. So, every now and then you want to go ahead and watch some of his videos because they're really, really good, and they're going to teach you how to train the AI to write better copy as you go along. Okay. So this is a really cool feature, and it's only available on the Pro plan. So if you want to check that out, if you want to get Jarvis to write most of your stuff for you, then I would definitely just go with the Pro plan and lock in that unlimited word count, because that's not going to be around for a long time. Now, I've already discussed these type of frameworks in my other videos, so just make sure to check those out. Now, what I like is these blog post stuff, because if you're digital marketing, if you're doing attraction marketing, you know that the base of your business is content. So we want to be doing either video marketing, blog posting, or a combination of both. So if you come over here, you can go ahead to blog post ideas. So let's just go ahead and put in the name of a company. So we're just going to put conversion.ai just as an example. Okay. And so we'll just put in just like that starter text. Okay. Conversion.ai is a copywriting software that uses artificial intelligence to write better copy so you don't have to. See, I'm okay at it, right? My ideas, I was in creative writing in high school, so this comes a little bit more natural to me, but this still isn't enough. I want to see what Jarvis comes up with, right? Because usually I find that what the AI outputs is better than what I put. What I put is more like the jump start. This is going to do a much better job. Okay, so over here, digital marketers. That's my audience. And since I like to have fun, I want a fun tone of voice. And I'm just going to leave this blank right now. And I'm going to put 3 outputs. Now, remember, the way that the plan works, the more outputs you do, the more words you're going to generate. So if you want unlimited words, if you don't want to be bound by, oh, I can only put like 3 outputs because I only have a $29 plan and I only have 20,000 words, and they rack up pretty quickly. So if you want like no holds barred, then I would definitely consider the pro plan. So make sure to check that out. So let's go to generate AI content. And let's see. Better copy is rarely about creativity. It's all about positioning. How to come up with fresh ideas for your next blog post. 10 online tools that every digital marketer should use. Wow. This is, okay, I'm just like having this natural reaction because I'm like, wow, better copy is rarely about creativity. It's all about positioning. See, that just gave me an idea that I would have never thought of. That gave me an idea about a whole blog topic or a video topic. You see how this works? It's just like getting your brain to start generating ideas. So another idea is how to come up with fresh ideas for your next blog post. And then what you can do is you write that blog post and you point it to your affiliate link. But this is going to generate the idea. 10 online tools that every digital marketer should use. See, this is a great idea right here because I use an all-in-one digital marketing platform that has over 29 tools. And so I can definitely use this as a inspiration to talk about the 10 most popular tools inside that digital software. Do you see how valuable this is? This is giving me ideas because you are going to come against writer's block, my friends. There's just no avoiding that when you're a digital marketer. So this is going to get those ideas and those creative juices flowing, which I think that is just fantastic. I love it. I would have never had that idea before without doing a ton of research and scouring the internet and all this stuff. I can just come over here to Jarvis, put in the, what affiliate product I'm trying to sell, and then it'll generate the blog post ideas for me. Okay. Now I don't want this video to get too long, but let's go ahead and do a blog post intro paragraph. And I've used this before and it is very, very powerful. So I am going to, let's see, let me just change this. Let's just keep it on conversion.ai, digital marketers. Blog post title, how to write better copy with conversion.ai. Let's just say that, okay? And I'm going to generate 3 outputs. So let's generate the content. So this is what it comes up with. Are you struggling to write better copy? Have you been looking for a tool that can increase your conversion rates without having to study marketing or spend hours writing content? Conversion.ai is the answer. It offers powerful templates and an AI-powered algorithm that will make it easy to create engaging and persuasive copy in just minutes. Guys, I could have never come up with that by myself. That's just freaking amazing. Okay, let's read the next one. Every day, a website owner is faced with an important decision. Oh my gosh. Agency owners, I hope your ears are perking up. More money, more money. You and I both know that most Most web design clients do not have their copy, and you're going to have to hire someone. So you can, if you want to do that extra work and let the Jarvis do it for you, you can, add that to the bottom of your website proposal. So just an idea. So every day a website owner is faced with an important decision. What copy should I write? Will it be for my homepage or maybe the landing page of a new product launch? How do you know which words and phrases will get your visitors to take action on your call to action button or form submission? I mean, this is a blog post intro. This is supposed to be like the first paragraph of your blog, but by gosh, you can even use this as the core of the subject for a video, because video is nothing more than a blog post in video, really, right? All right. So, and then the last one is, ever wonder how to make your copy more effective? Or maybe you just want a fresh perspective on the words that are going to convince visitors to take action. Conversion.ai is here for you. This is fantastic. I mean, honestly, I'm blown away by the quality of the copy this thing generates. So anyway, I could go on forever and I don't want to because I know you got things to do and I don't want this video to be too long. So guys, if you have all the evidence you need to know that Conversion.ai is going to help you tremendously in your digital marketing business, then click on the link below this video in the description box to check out Conversion.ai yourself and make sure to take advantage of the time-limited promo offer. I don't have the exact dates for you. If you just follow that link, you'll know when the offer is going to be over. So I will have you check that link out so that you can check it out for yourself. All right, guys and gals. Well, I hope that you enjoyed that. I just wanted to show just a couple little things that the software could do. I will link other videos that I've done in the past. I think I've done already 2 of them. We'll have those linked up for you right below this video. So hopefully you enjoyed this video and hopefully you at least take it for a test spin. It's a really great software. A lot of people are raving about it, and some of the top marketers in the industry are using the software, and a lot of copywriters are actually using the software to shortcut their copywriting time for their clients. And I'm seeing a lot of people that are in the Conversion.ai group who are copywriters who are just who are making more money just because they've got this awesome software to do a lot of the heavy lifting for them. If you want to check it out, again, check out the link in the description box right below this video. All right, guys and gals, well, I hope that you found this video helpful. If you did, please go ahead and like this video and subscribe to my channel, and make sure to hit that notification bell if you want to be alerted the next time that I upload a video to my YouTube channel. So with that being said, this has been Barbie Figueroa with Rise Marketing and Design.com. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you on another video. Bye.